Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn how we can just add any filter on Snapchat. So it is pretty quick and easy, so let's get started without wasting our time. So what this filter do is just make your photo more attractive or just look more beautiful than your normal one, and it will just delete all the pimples or any marks which appear on your face. So how we can just use these filters? So you can see that there is an option at the bottom. Tap here, use a lens. For using a lens, you have to just click on the smiley part which is present on the right side, bottom below bottom. Just click on that, and from here you can just select any of the filter you want to. Like I'm just going to look for this one. And if you want to capture this video or just phone, you have to just click on it. Like I'm just going to click a photo, so just click on it and your photo will be ready. You can also add a caption to that. For adding a caption, just click on that and just write Happy Chhath Diwali. After that, you have three options here to just save it, just gift a story, and then just next. What next do is just send to a particular random person individually, and while saving you have just saved the post or just save the photo to your memories or to the camera roll. Just click on anyone which you want to, just click on save to memories, and after that the third option is for story. When you click on the story, that particular post will be posted to your story. So decide, we are going to talk about more about the story and the save part in the next video. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you do like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and just share with your friends.